of the props up. Today we have the props. Today we will say the details and the positive answers of the props. This is my pot. It is a pot. This is a little soon as hot. The watched kettle pot is never boils. It is a magical mitti clay kitchen water pot. It in short we can say matka.
My name is Anuj Jaiswal and today do activity. Flop. My flop is hand gloves. Hand gloves used for the tech COVID-19 and electricity and another jobs.
My name is Janvi. This is salt. The power of writing can change the mind of people.
I am Pranshu. My topic is crown. The crown is special called feet and tail, and the crown inside many diamonds there.
My name is Ramya. We use hula to exercise. My name is Trishti Oya. My topic is hand gloves. Hand gloves use many works. We wear hand gloves for our hands safety. Hand gloves protect our hands from germs. Hand gloves used in hospital to the surgery. Hand gloves used in technical works and electrical works. So hand gloves used in many things to protect our hand.
कहाँ गए थे?
जी यही राकेश के पास गया था।
तुम्हें 1000 बार कह दिया है इधर उधर मत घुमा करो।
क्या रे तू एक जगह पर टिका नहीं रह सकता? तुझे 1000 बार बोल दिया अपने कमरे में बैठकर पढ़ा कर।
तुम्हारा लाडला पास होता है प्रमोशन से, यानी कि 2 विषयों में फेल। क्यों रे, शर्म नहीं आती?
जी कहानी सुनेगा तो बड़ा चाव, रात भर कहानियाँ सुनेगा, खेलने के लिए खुला छोड़ दे और नाटक सिनेमा के लिए तो 5 कोस दूर चला जाएगा और पढ़ाई में बिल्कुल नहीं।
जा अपने कमरे में जाकर पढ़।
आप इतना क्यों धमकाते हो उसे?
तुम्हारे प्यार ने इसे बिगाड़ कर रख दिया है।
आप भूल जाते हो कि मैं माँ हूँ और फिर भी भगवान ने हमें एक ही संतान दिया है।
यह तुम्हारा लाड प्यार इसे बर्बाद करके रख देगा।
पिताजी ये सवाल कैसे करेंगे?
मुझे नहीं पता। जा अब मेरा दिमाग मत खराब कर, मुझे दफ्तर जाने में देर हो रही है।
मास्टर जी ने काम करने के लिए दिया है।
तो तुमने क्लास में क्यों नहीं पूछा? अब मेरा दिमाग मत खा, जा यहाँ से।
आप तो ऑफिस चले जाते हैं और मैं इन दोनों से तंग आ जाती हूँ। सब नीचे तो थोड़ा कहना मान भी लेती है, पर ज्ञानेश सारा दिन मस्ती करता रहता है।
समीक्षा शांत स्वभाव की है, वह जिज्ञासु और खोजी वृत्ति की है, पर ज्ञानेश थोड़ा गर्म मिजाज का है।
ज्ञानेश हर समय कुछ न कुछ करता ही रहता है। कल बैठे बैठे टीवी का रिमोट खोल दिया।
अच्छा लेकिन क्यों?
पूछा तो कहता है रिमोट कैसे चलता है देखना चाहता हूँ।
अरे समझ लो कि उसमें भी जिज्ञासा कूद कूद कर भरी हुई है। बड़ी चुस्त और चंचल लड़का है।
Once upon a time, there lived an angry boy in a village. His name was Rohan. He was very upset with his anger. One day, Rohan's father called him and told him,
Come here, son. What is it now? I have something for you. Take it back with me. What am I supposed to do with this? This is for you, my dear child. Whenever you get angry, you should take out a nail from a bag and put it on the fence.
After hearing this, Rohan was confused, but he did as his father had told him, and he started hitting nails on the fence. After a few days, his friends came to his house.
Hi, Rohan. Why don't you come to play nowadays?
I am not free like you guys to just come and play. I have lots of work to do.
Oh, okay, Rohan. Why are you getting so angry? It's your wish to play or not.
I know you don't teach me anything. I am going.
Okay.
Rohan became very angry. He came back home and then hit a nail on the fence. On the same day, in the evening, Rohan went to his sister.
Rohan, can you get some biscuits from the store?
You always send me to the store. You never go by your own. This time I won't go.
I'm busy with my stuff. That's the reason I asked you.
It made Rohan angry and he hit the nail on the fence. At the end of the day, Rohan went near the fence and he realized that he had 40 nails on the fence in a single day. He was surprised to see that. Then Rohan went to his father.
Father, do you know there are so many nails collected on the fence? Yes, Rohan, I know that. But why did you tell me to do this? I didn't understand.
Yes, Rohan, I will tell you. See, Rohan, whenever you get angry, you used to hit a nail on the fence. This made a hole on the fence. Similarly, whenever you throw anger on the people, this gave wound to them and made a hole in their heart. And then afterwards, if you say sorry, the hole does not get vanished.
Rohan realized his mistake and he told his father. Yes, father, you are right. I was wrong. I promise to you that I will control my anger and become a good boy. Thank you so much, father and mother, for making me realize my mistake.
No need to say thank you. I just want to realize that anger can create gap between people.
It's better you control your anger and be a good person in your life.
Rohan and his parents smiled happily. Thank you.